my name is Sutthisri Watson. I am Katsugoti's student. She's my only teacher. Today I am going to show you some arrangements made with bamboo because bamboo at this time is very beautiful. This arrangement I have put together from golden bamboo and some green bamboo. The way to make this, first we split the golden bamboo into strips like this using this tool, which is a bamboo splitter, and using the hammer to make it split. After that, I curve the bamboo tightly, tying it with a lot of section of wires to make a tight curl. Very difficult. After it's curled tightly, I put the curl over the flame, on the burner, cooking stove in the kitchen. I did this in the night for the hope that the oil of the bamboo will make it curl. And then after that, since I did it in the night, I was afraid that the house might burn down because in the night the bamboo might be smoldering. So I put water on it. So I can't tell you whether it's just the curling or the heat, or the curling, the heat and the water that makes the curl so tight like this. But you can try. And after that, I tie them together, put them together. This is a green bamboo that I use bandsaw to slice lengthwise, and it has this appearance. After that, I use the ceramic vase. The flowers that I put in are roses, tulip, wax flower, lisianthus, and spirea. This is my first arrangement. Thank you. This is my second arrangement. I use a very large bamboo cane and split black bamboo. For the plant, the flowers that I'm going to use, this is the Japanese maple branch. I cut them from my house, the tree in my house. And before putting it in the water, I dipped it in alcohol. Some people use sake that you drink, but I don't have it at this time. So I put these branches in the 70% alcohol that you use to clean your hands during this COVID time. The flowers that I'm using is the oriental lily. I don't use too many flowers because the bamboo itself is very beautiful. It's the last flowers. This is my second arrangement. Thank you very much. My third and last arrangement, I used bamboo that is old, and you can see it has two colors. One side is green and one side is brown. And this is a bamboo runner. Usually it grows under the ground and new plants coming out of this. So it could be roots and runner. That's how bamboo spread. This green plant, I forgot the name. I decided it and wanted to remember, but I didn't. I couldn't. So if anyone knows the name, just tell everybody. This one is Phalaenopsis. Everybody knows this. And the last one. So this concludes my 3 arrangements using bamboo. Thank you very much. Now I am going to show you some techniques to work with bamboo. First, I'm going to open a window here, just like the one here, and we have a window open in the bamboo so that we can insert the flowers. You could put the water in here and the flower will be fresh for a long time. We can also have it down this way and put the water in. Okay, first we would mark where we want to have the window, and then we use the bamboo saw to saw in 2 places, and then use a hammer to break it. So now we got two windows. The next technique that I want to show you is how to split bamboo. The bamboo splitter is a tool that we use for this. I started this outside because it takes a lot of force, so we can't do it on the table. And we just stand it up. If it's very long, we could use the side of the building to hold the bamboo, the other end of the bamboo, and then use the hammer to split it up. Oh, I hope this table is not going to break. Usually we do it outside. Okay. So these are the strips of bamboo we use. Okay. The next technique is to tie together strips of bamboo. We use the covered wire so that it looks prettier. This is the one that is already tied. Okay, we pick up one, twist it, and put the next one, and twist. So this is how we tie the strips of bamboo together to use in my second arrangement. Next is how to fix 2 or 3 items together, like my third arrangement. What we would need would be a drill and some wire. We thread the wire through the bamboo, and this piece is a bamboo root that grows under the ground, it looks interesting. See? And then we tie them together. And we have to tie at least 2 places to secure the piece. This one I already did the hole, so now these are 2, and they're not standing on their own yet, so we would be adding the 3rd leg like so, and the piece will stand. Thank you very much for watching.